I love my work. I love being able to go out and solve a problem with your hands, but have to figure it out with your head first. We do a bunch of work from fabricating to working on, any type of our machinery that needs to be fixing, basically whatever needs to be done in the plant to get it running again.
I like to work, I like what I do. Being a 30-plus year veteran in maintenance, it's pretty easy for me. We do run wire, we do run conduit, we do installs.
You're always learning, and it's always something different. My team is great. We all help each other out. If you don't know something, you just ask somebody out. They're there for you.
When I was starting out, I had a lot of people show me how things work, how to keep them safe, what to look for, how to do stuff, technique. So I'm giving that back.
I hold a journeyman's card through the state of Wisconsin, and that was through an apprenticeship program here at Mercury. They basically helped me go to school and go to work at the same time and equip me with jobs for the trade.
There's so many different opportunities here. We get the job done.